Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ala. Today I am doing a mauve toned, a glazed mauve look in the makeup. This is the makeup that I have created. It's a matte mauve eye look with really purple undertones to all the different makeup products that I've used. The eyeshadow that I went with was the Ethereal Eyes by Makeup by Mario, and the blush that I decided to go with was Rose Ink, and highlight is this M Cosmetics beautiful highlighter. The lipstick is by Revlon, this beautiful mauve, and the liner also has contributed. It's a mauve tone from NYX. So if you want to see how I got all this and put it together into this look, please keep watching. I already started my moisturizer with this Glossier Priming Moisturizer. For my foundation, I'll use this Perez. Some of my basics I like to kind of keep the same and then just switch up the colors that I use for the day. The Perez Oatmilk foundation is in the color Latte. They have matching concealers. They're the same shades, exactly the same. The base is looking nice and dewy. For highlight, I'm gonna add it just right on top of that, and I'm just using up my little cream highlighter, and it just sort of blends into what I already put down as a base. It'll just add the dew as if it's part of the foundation that I laid down. I like to combine highlighter with foundation oftentimes and just kind of go all over. And then when you add your powder, your setting powder, then you just kind of set where you want, and then the dew is still there. Like that beautiful shine of healthy skin is still there. I'm using cream for blush, and this is the Rose Ink in Camellia. Just using the same dense brush. This is a mauve glow, mauve inspired makeup look. A nice, beautiful, cool tone that can go with olive skin. It adds just a beautiful, healthy looking blush to the face. I will set my face really quick. I'll use this Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. Just gonna get some into the lid, kind of go in areas that I want to mattify a bit, bring down the shine. This is a very finely milled powder. It feels really, really nice, kind of like undetectable. Reminds me of the Cloud Set powder. It's really nice. And see how the whatever cream highlight you have underneath the blush, it just kind of peeks through and it looks so healthy and beautiful. So that, yeah, we're all done with the powder there. For bronzer, I'm using this Haus Skincare bronzer, and it's a very kind of cool tone, neutral. So I'm just gonna add that right over the blush, but kind of keep it to the perimeter of the face so it doesn't combine too much with the blush. I don't like it when the colors mix too much to the point of you can't even tell what color the blush was supposed to be. And then all the blushes end up looking exactly the same on your face because the bronzer is usually a warmer color. It changes the color and the appearance of the blush. I realized I had forgotten my concealer, so here we go. I'm gonna just add some. This is the Bareminerals. So funny. I'm just kind of adding that over the powder that I just put, so we'll see how it all acts together, how it mixes. All right, that's not bad at all. Not mixing poorly. Sometimes I like to set my under eye. I'll set it again since I did that with my Youngblood pressed mineral foundation. It's going to set it. This is a little bit deeper than my skin tone, but that's okay. I think the foundation kind of lightened up the face anyways, so it just sort of brought back the color into my face. I will jump to the eyebrows. I'm just using this Kosas Airbrow. I did end up finishing my Nature Republic pencil, so now I'm using my brow gels. I'll do my lips first, as I usually do. I have two of these NYX Line Loud lip liners. They're supposed to be really long lasting, and the two shades I have are Fierce Flirt, and this is the mauve that I've chosen, and then the other one that I have is in Sassy, and so I have a cooler tone and a warmer tone. I'll swatch them on the arm just to show you what the cool tone one looks like, and then this is the warmer tone one. So it's kind of nice having both shades available, just depending on what look you're going for. So I'll use the cool tone one in Fierce Flirt. I'm going to let that a bit dry down on my lips before I go in with the lipstick, just so it sets and then it stays on the face. Moving on to eyeshadow, I am using this Makeup by Mario palette, and I will use most of the mauve cool tones, kind of like this one here. I'll start with the lightest shade in the upper corner, just to sort of set the eyelids, the base, and then I'll go in with that more mauve. Using the same shade for the lower lash line. I will add that lipstick now. This is the Revlon Super Lustrous in Glazed Mauve. It's the 007. It has such a beautiful, like, purple undertone to it. Such a beautiful cool tone look, kind of like I guess a fig of some sort, but it's just so pretty. It has almost like a Barbie doll look to the color. Really beautiful. And going back to the palette, I'll use just a darker shade, a slightly darker shade, to like deepen up the crease. Yeah, that's a beautiful, perfect, cool tone eye look. I'll do some eyeliner out of the same palette. I'm just using the darkest powder liner in the palette. I'll curl my eyelashes and add my Clinique mascara, and then I'll be right back. The mascara is all finished. To add a bit more shine, I think I'm going to use some powder highlight. I'm using this Cosmetics highlighter. I want a little bit of that glazed mauve look, and the glazed is not coming through. So I'm just adding a bit more due to the face. I'm gonna add the same to the inner corner because I've kept my eyes looking pretty matte. The inner corner will have a little bit of a sparkle to it. I love this pinky color. It's kind of like if you have like super duper fair skin. I'm on the fair side, but if you have more fair, it can be a blush for sure. And I love shimmery blushes, one of my favorite types. I'll even add just a little bit up here. And that concludes my glazed mauve makeup look. I hope you enjoyed all the mauve colors that I tried to pull together from my makeup collection. I really love this monochromatic type look. I think it's really flattering on a neutral olive skin toned person, and I hope that you can get some tips and ideas from the video that I've put together. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content. I really enjoy making them for you guys. Let me know what you think, and I will see you guys next time. Have a wonderful day. Bye.